Hello, this is Gerald Jan Vaas. After having explained spoon and also fork quite extensively with a lot of introduction and go towards the point that we are going to be, I think I need to be, I will go and have a little bit shorter video about knife. Also, knife has a letter combination which actually should give you also the signal where the thing is about, where is it going to, and what it is expressing. And I have a set of rules in the background, a set of rules which are also followed by also our choices of letters that are organized themselves also, and we follow them also with these rules. Long story short, for the knife, I'll just explain you how this one works. The K itself is a focus. Every letter is a focus. The K is a focus within space. It's written down in that systematic order, and it goes from one center point of vision. We try to centralize our focus. We try to start a focus with the first three letters, A, T, K. In K we don't succeed very well, so usually it is about that doubtfulness in our choice to try to centralize it. But we can also use that point very consciously as we use a starting point, not to centralize it, not to centralize it and learn what we have before us as an object, not to localize it as we have it with T and to see what kind of qualities we have, but actually to say like, okay, we really don't need this unity of focus. Let's use this focus to break away from this focus. So that's also a point that you can do. You can use it also as a breaking point. It is a breaking point also of focus in general. Also because we want to, when we want to centralize it into horizontal, vertical, diagonal, this diagonal vision there says actually, oh, it's going away from my focus. And at that point where you have again horizontal, vertical, diagonal, it breaks there away from our focus. It's away from our focus. We can't follow it anymore if it's beyond space and it's going further, even if it's at the edges of what we can see. It becomes a breaking point. We will use this breaking point in knife, usually, we know that already. And this will be the starting point of my applied function of the knife. We will use it as a breaking point. Not just as a breaking point, but I will also use it to, just read it in the system, to take something out physically. Physically, in that space, in a certain space, within a certain space, I will take something out. And this will lead to a new thing, something new, something workable, something with a new context. It will get a new context, and that's what E always will do. So at that point, I will be able to do not just to take something out of context, I will also be able to cut something out actually and have it as a separate part. That's what the knife will do. I can do that in that way. And this F letter, which follows next, is also saying that I will give it also at the same time a different function, a different destination by choice, or I even do this performance of cutting something out or performing it by choice in a certain direction. And this direction then will also be highlighted and will even get more attention by the A, which basically says, okay, I time this, I'll go to the certain timing, and that's where I'm going to want a certain change, and that's my attention going to, I want this change to happen, and that's what I'm going to focus upon, and that's what knife is doing, that's what we are doing with knife. And this knife will fit there perfectly as well. That's it for this time. Thanks again for watching, and bye.